It's banned by the Beeb Week. Here's an important life lesson. You know, some things in life are bad, and they could really make you mad. And other things, they make you swear and curse. But when you're chewing on life's gristle, don't grumble, give a whistle. And this'll help things turn out for the best. And always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the light side of life. If life seems jolly rotten, there's something you've forgotten, and that's to laugh and smile and dance and sing. When you're feeling in the dumps, don't be silly chumps. Just press your lips and whistle, that's the thing. And always look on, everyone, the right side of life. Always look on the light side of life. If life it seems absurd and death's the final word, you always face the curtain with the bow. And forget about your sins, give the audience a grin. Hey, enjoy it, it's your last chance anyhow. Always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the light side of life. Everyone, always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the light side of life.